This 2024 Winnebago Minnie Winnie 31H is a Class C RV. It is located in Sanger, Texas, 76266 and is offered for sale by McClain's Longhorn RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Winnebago is 33 feet 0 inches in length and features a Lennon-Ch Taupe interior, sleeps 8, microwave, air conditioning, leveling jacks, skylight, oven, smoke detector, water heater, TV, LP detector, slideout, and 44 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class C features bunk over cab, front kitchen, front living area, mid-kitchen, rear bath, rear bedroom, rear entertainment, U-shaped dinette. This 2024 Winnebago Minnie Winnie 31H is built on a Ford chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.